It is summer in Arizona, and I'm kind of sick and tired of waking up and coming out to a hot garage when I get out in the car. This wall right here is east facing, and it gets baked all in the morning. Let's see how hot it gets. Can use the Klein tool sensor, and what is that? 130 degrees. That is not good. That is terrible. So I'm gonna throw some insulation up in there and let's see what happens to the temperature reading. I'm using my Milwaukee M12 staple gun. These things are awesome. All right, you get the idea. It's basically cut to length, fill in the bays, and you're good. This hasn't had time to cook up yet, but we're at 104 degrees instead of 130. So that's pretty good. I kind of like that difference. It's going to be, no matter what happens, this is going to be better than 130 degrees coming in for this whole wall. Cool. See you later.